All right, so we are out here trying to get this old DR mower back up and running again. Parked it in the fall and it won't start now. Stuck a new battery on it. Had to do some troubleshooting. Solenoid is bad. Searched all evening for one. Nobody has a 3-terminal solenoid in town. So we had to pick up a 4-terminal. Gonna have to add a little jumper wire on there for the ground. Hopefully it works. We'll get this put on and see if this works. I'm gonna pause the video real quick because I forgot my socket set. All right, got our tools. Now let's try to get this thing wired up.